Hello and welcome to our series of Festive Foliage workshops. Today we're going to be making a wreath using greenery that you can gather for free. You'll need secateurs, a wire wreath frame, a reel of binding wire, floristry wires, moss that's been lightly dampened with water, and some decorations. You'll also need your foliage. Today we're using conifer, ivy, skimmia, variegated holly, eucalyptus and olive. Attach the end of your binding wire to the outer edge of the wreath frame. Add handfuls of moss, securing it tightly with a binding wire. Make sure the moss is tightly packed so that the frame isn't visible from the front. Lay a few pieces of foliage onto the frame in a fan shape. Here we've started off with conifers to make a nice wide fan which we can build onto. Then attach the foliage to the frame. Place the next pieces of foliage slightly lower than the first to cover the stems. Continue to add foliage, pulling the wire tightly after each bunch. Check the wreath from all angles to make sure you have a full and balanced shape. When you get to the end, slip the stems under the tips of the first bunch. Bind them tightly and cut the binding wire, leaving a length of about 10 centimetres. Then turn the wreath over and tease some moss away to expose a little of the frame. Wind the wire tightly around the frame and tuck in the end. Take a new piece of wire and create a loop for hanging. And if you like the natural look, you can hang it up straight away. If you want to add decorations, switch out the string for some floristry wire. Then spend a few minutes arranging the decorations onto the wreath before you add them. Work in odd numbers to create a balanced look and group the items together to give a natural appearance. When you're happy with the look, push the wire through the wreath, then bend it back on itself to secure, tucking in all the sharp ends. Then it's ready for you to hang on your door.